guys, it's that time of year again. It is the holiday season, so I am here to help you buy gifts for your car person. The do's and more importantly, the don'ts for automotive gift giving. So let's start at the top. A recent study came out that said that 92% of people would prefer to get experience rather than physical gifts for the holidays. So along those lines, maybe some of you are considering things like track time for your loved one, which is awesome. Track time can be the greatest experience in the world, but you have to be sure that you match that track time with the right experience and the right vehicle. Let me tell you a little bit more. Number one, the experience sometimes will say track time. Sometimes it will say ride along. Sometimes it will say hot laps. What's the difference? Well, track time usually means that they are going to physically drive on the track, but you want to be sure of that because a hot lap and a ride along very often can mean that your person is just riding along, literally in the passenger seat with a pro driver. While that might sound fun to some of you, for most automotive enthusiasts, that's pure torture. In like female shopping terms, that's like bringing someone through a department store and not being able to touch or buy anything. Right? Like that's just not fun. Who wants to do that? No one. So just be very careful about what you're buying. Number two, make sure that the vehicle matches your enthusiasts. Porsche and BMW track experiences, you really can't go wrong with them. Most people would enjoy those. Those are very expensive. I have done them and literally they're the best days of my life. You can see a little action right here. But not everybody is into those vehicles. And then other times there are experiences, and these are all over the country, where they don't guarantee the type of car that you go around the track in. If someone put me in a car and took me around a track in a Prowler, I would be furious. And there are a lot of people that are like that, but some people like the Prowler, whatever. To each his own. So think about that if you're buying track time. Next, I know a lot of you get really excited about the idea of car detailing or car washing. I think that's fantastic. Most automotive enthusiasts love a clean car. Many enjoy washing their own car. I know this may not make a lot of sense, but it's almost like caring. It's like self-care. They enjoy the detail of going over and washing their car. Other people like getting their car detailed, but I'll tell you what no car enthusiast wants. No car enthusiasts, I dare you to find the exception, wants a little certificate from your kid or their grandkid saying 5 free car washes, because nobody wants a kid touching their car, not to mention washing their car. Bad idea. So just please, for the name of all things sacred and non-scratching, don't do that. That would be awful. Okay. Do buy them car parts if you know what to get. If you've been given a list, if you've stumbled upon a wish list that they have, go ahead and buy them car parts. But if you think that like a car part or a car accessory would look cool on your loved one's car, don't get it. Just for the love of God, just don't do it, because most people, if there's something they want for their car, they will have gotten it already. So just be very, very careful. Like a license plate holder, a seat cover. Oh, God forbid you spend a lot of money on wheels. No, please don't do that. That could really be awful. Okay. So a lot of people like buying things like baseball hats, t-shirts, gloves, maybe even shoes, keychains, non-wearables that are branded, right? They say Ferrari on them, or they say Jeep, or they say, whatever it is, Dodge, Mopar. Fantastic. But yet again, you have to be really, really careful with this stuff, because number one, you're going to have to see them in it. And they're not, car t-shirts aren't necessarily known for their fit. So maybe if you have a guy who's got a pretty serious dad bod, I really wouldn't go for the car t-shirt because they're just never flattering. Two, in certain circles, wearing things that are branded like the vehicle can really just make you look like a D-bag. So, be really careful. Sometimes people just wear them, like your dad or your uncle will just wear them around you just to be nice. Think about that. Lastly, gift cards. Gift cards are one of the top gifts people love receiving because they can spend them how they want. Fantastic. There are places you can generally, never go wrong are places like, Harbor Freight, AutoZone, even Amazon, because then they can buy episodes of the Grand Tour or automotive movies that they may like, or you guys could watch together. But a general rule of thumb is if you've never seen them shop at that store before, don't buy them a gift card there. If they don't like buying stuff at AutoZone, there's probably a reason. If you guys have any other questions about automotive gift giving, please let me know in the comments. I'm Motorhead Mama. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.